Welcome to TMS Quy Nhon, ROSHI Apartment Ocean View. Explore the pinnacle of seaside luxury and effortlessly book your escape to paradise by scanning the QR code or by reading the detailed description found below. Here, you'll discover an oasis of refined elegance where every detail is meticulously curated for your utmost pleasure. Indulge in the vibrant atmosphere of our exquisite bar, where expert mixologists craft signature cocktails best enjoyed with breathtaking ocean vistas from the terrace. Surrender to the sublime at our world-class salon, a sanctuary for rejuvenation where skilled therapists offer a range of pampering treatments. Allow yourself to be revitalized with facials, massages, and hairstyling designed to soothe your senses and invigorate your spirit. Before departing, discover unique treasures and lasting memories at our curated gift and souvenir shop. Browse a collection of locally crafted artistry, traditional garments, and distinctive souvenirs, each embodying the heart of Quy Nhon. Enjoy the ease of complimentary amenities including parking, express check-in, and reliable Wi-Fi, enhancing every facet of your experience. Remember, the journey to unparalleled relaxation begins with a single scan. Secure your stay at TMS Quy Nhon, ROSHI Apartment Ocean View now by scanning the QR code.